In this video, I'm gonna explain how to add a user or remove a user. There are two commands actually gonna use in this video: the add user command and remove user command, or delete user command. So let's run the first command here, which is add user. So add here, add user, enter command not found. We just need to run sudo add user, then the name. For example, it's any name, maybe testing. Yeah, it asks me for the new password. If you notice here, I use the sudo. So new password, maybe anything. Retype a new password. And that's it. Ask me for full name, whatever. You can enter any name here. Work home phone, and so on. If this information correct, shift and then Y. Enter. Here, it's already created. The username is testing. I just need to log the screen now in order to test it now, of course. So testing, sorry. Then, you see, I'm logging in. Okay, so I log in as this standard user. I open the terminal. Here is testing at Kali. Alright, and this means the tilde sign means that I'm in the default folder for this user, and dollar sign means this is the standard user. When I log in as root user, I will find it like this number sign. So let's try now. Log in as root user, switch user, and root. Rank. Open the terminal. See, it's hash sign. I'm here, and of course, this means that root folder for root. Okay, log in now. I log in as Kali again. Okay, we've learned now how to add a user. In order to remove a user, there is a very simple command called user del, which is a short name for user delete. Okay, so if we try to type it directly, user del, and I need to specify the name, it doesn't read it. Command not found. So I need to add sudo user del and testing. It's currently used by a processor this. So before I just delete this user, I need to kill this process. There's another command called kill all. Kill all to kill the process -u, then the name of the user. If you notice here, operation not permitted. Because Kali is not super user, we need to use sudo because it might Kali have such privileges to permit Kali to do or kill this process for any other user. So again, sudo, then kill all -u, and specify the name of the user, which is testing. It's kill process for that user. If I wanted to delete the user, which command I use? User delete. I need to sudo first, user delete, like this. Specify the name of the user, and it's deleted now. If I try to log in as testing, I will not be able to. So let's try. Here, testing, same password. Incorrect password, please try again. The user is not there actually. It's the same message when there is no user. If I type anything here and anything here, it's the same message. Okay, incorrect password, please try again, even if that user is not there. Okay, let's try to log in as Kali again and create another user. Okay, so sudo add user and testing 2. Okay, ask me for password, name, whatever. I can enter anything. Work phone 555 whatever 7 77755 whatever, any number. And is this information correct? Yes. I press yes. Need to log out, or just log the screen. And I need to log in at this user. Yes, this is a correct password. Okay, I open this terminal and I try to do the same things as Kali. Okay, here testing user, and we know that we are in the default. Actually, here this means the default folder for this user. So I open folder here. I find myself in testing, and these folders are created by default for each user we create, documents, downloads, and so on. So let's do the same thing that Kali would do, okay, by using sudo. If I just go using passwd here, it will change the current password for this user. This user is allowed to change its own password. Alright, so let's enter anything. But if I try to change the password for Kali, for example, passwd, then Kali, oh, not permitted. I'm sorry, it's wrong. Passwd, then Kali, not permitted. Passwd may not view or modify password information for Kali. What if we just sudo passwd, then Kali? Here, I just enter sudo. Testing2 is not in the sudoers file. This incident will be reported. See, it will be reported for the super user account. Alright, so I'm not permitted actually to change any other user's password, but Kali is permitted because Kali is in the sudoer file. What if we try to add a user? Sudo. We know that testing2 is not in sudo, but let's try sudo add user. So as you see here, just sudo add user, and I just enter the name of Kali and enter. See, password for testing. It thinks that it is in the sudoer file. Let's try. Testing2 is not in the sudoers file. So now we not allowed to add a user or remove users by any other user. It's that if that user is not in the sudoer file, or if it is not a root or a super user account. We've learned here how to change password, how to create an account, how to remove an account. Very easy by add user and userdel